Remember way back when we were doing grinding, we had the leftover triangles which we converted into little petals. So let's see how we go making flowers out of that. Got these gorgeous little beads here to put as flower centers. I've not made flowers this small before, but we are experimenting. Everything's a goer. Let's see how we go with this. So as you know, I like to use lots of glue. So these, I'm basically filling up the whole channel here. And if I have to cut bits of and scrape bits of glue off, I'd rather be doing that than having it fall apart when I'm done. So let's see how we go. Let's start off. So that we had a triangle with a little heart shape on the top. So let's pop one in there and see what we get. Because behind that, and I'll show you what I'm going to do shortly, I'll stick this one in there. Let's bring in the next one. And then the next one with a slight overlay. And the beauty with this way is you can just push it as you like. The other thing I can do is fill in the background there with more. I can see it through the glass so that you know this is where you want your little skinny bits to come in handy. You know that your flower is a part of the design. Some more little pieces in the side there, just to hold it, a couple of beads where we want them to be, and arrange them properly. Right, so I'm going to go for not the whole side up, aiming, poke the whole side down, and the other. So you can see how these darker pieces just add that little bit of extra texture. I'm going to pop there, but I need to put the next flower in so I know which gaps to fill up around the flower. So here we go. I think I said I was going to do about 3. So this one I'm going to lean on this side to add the little beads. I'll go and get some more of these lovely little cute beads. That one's going to have 3. To backfill behind the flowers, of course, I need to turn this upside down, and I can see, I don't know if you can see from here, that I can see a space down there that needs a very skinny point. And once again, things are going to wiggle about, but once you're done, you can then just move them around to get the proper shape, or the shape that you want. There's no such thing as proper shape, because none of this is intended to look real. So you can see how easy it is to quickly pop in there, and we might have another little darker one I think might look nice behind this flower here, just to bring in some contrast. Oh yeah, that's great. I like that. Then turn it around, eyeball it, see what you like and what you don't like. Push it into shape where you want these things to actually dry. You can see that. Look at that big hole in that bead staring at me. I have to get rid of that one. So here we are with the final little flower, which is an open 5 petals. And it's how do we finish off the edge here? I've pre-shaped some of these edges so they will fit flush with the outside edge of the substrate, which is really important. Try to avoid any overhangs, and if you have any, just sand them off or grind them off, remembering that this is all going to dry clear. So these I want up a little bit on the side, but still flush with the edge. Then I have, look at that, that's just perfect. How good is that? Then we can just pop in some smaller pieces. And you just on the side there. Pat them in or love them into their spot. And we just need a little something there. Look at that, perfect size. And of course, why not add a little bead there just for that little spot. Okay, so there we have, let's zoom out. and I'll turn it around so it's easy for you to see the whole bit in terms of structure and shape.